Hi friends, this is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lava cake in the microwave using only 3 ingredients. I'm making it today in my Pampered Chef Rockcrok Dutch oven. The Rockcrok is amazing. I absolutely love it. You can use it in the oven, on the stovetop, in the microwave, on the grill, and as a slow cooker. However, do not use the glass lid on the grill. It's also dishwasher safe and fridge and freezer safe. It pretty much does everything. Mine came with this awesome slow cooker stand. All you need for this recipe is a box of cake mix. I chose Devil's Food cake mix, a container of frosting. I chose chocolate frosting, and 12 ounces of soda. Today I am using Coca-Cola. First, you simply open up your cake mix and dump it into the Rockcrok. Next, add your 12 ounces of soda. Now you're just going to mix it all together. Then you're going to take your can of frosting and open it up. Now you're going to need to get out a spoon to drop large spoonfuls into the mixture. Then it's time to put the lid on, set the microwave to 11 minutes, and let it cook. And 11 minutes later, you let it sit for about a minute to cool down. Then it's ready to serve.
Yummy? Yummy, yummy. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe below for more content like this. Have a blessed day.